flavored? No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not supposed to be there. For those of you who are new, my name is Zena, and today I'm gonna show you everything that I promised from last video, the haul. And that haul consists of a bunch of different stores, as you already seen in my last video. Did find a couple new things, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is these socks, and I absolutely fell in love with them. These are so cute. I'm a big sock person. I like shoes a lot, but recently I've been really digging socks. Aren't these cute? Look at the patterns. So many different sizes and material, and this one has a little octopus on the top of it. It's so cute. I would love to wear these with a pair of high tops or something. A store that we were just dilly-dallying in and found a bunch of cool things. Everything in the store was $7. It was a steal. So there was a lot of small sizes, like extra small, smalls. Not a lot of larges or extra larges because your girl ain't that small. I had to go get comfy tees because I was running out that day. So this is one of them. It's tie-dye. And you guys already know how tie-dye has been such a huge trend. But this one was very cotton candy colored and I don't have anything like that. So I also found this little top. Cute, and it's a tie, so it doesn't really matter what size you are. As long as these fit in there, that's all I cared about. I also found this black plain tee because black is always in, and this one is kind of like a crop top. It's just tied up, but you can untie it if you want to. Can't go wrong with that. It's a solid color. Every girl needs solid colors in her life, so you can match. Probably should have folded this, but instead I just packed it in a bag. It's just a plain tee, and it says Honey Punch. Found a bunch of shorts because I don't have shorts. So here's a white one, probably semi see-through, so you have to wear like either nude colored or white colored underwear. And there's pockets, of course. This one has like a liner underneath. Here's another one, has little frills on the bottom, super cute. Doesn't have a liner though. And then here's another flowy one, just kind of a similar style, but this one's tie-dye just because I don't own any tie-dye in my closet. I was very big on solid colors back in the day, so I never got anything out of the ordinary, you know, easy to match stuff. Also found this dress. Almost reminds me of a 90s dress. It has a polo top and a button up in the middle. From the thrift shop, I got this t-shirt. I love Adidas. And this was one of the ones where it was the trefoil design in the front. I've been eyeing one up for a really long time. I was even gonna make my own, but found one, so keeping it. We also found this really cool store walking back to our hotel from getting coffee. They sell like a bunch of natural and organic soaps. It's called Saban, and everything in the store smells so good. It's really cute in there. Their stuff is a little bit pricey, but I think it's worth it just because there's no parabens, phthalates, or any of those chemicals in a lot of hair products or shampoos and makeup nowadays. So from the Saban store, I got a bunch of stuff. Couldn't help myself. But got a shower oil. This one is lavender apple. All these actually smell really good and not artificial at all. With shower oil, you only need a little bit and it goes a long way. So definitely worth it. And then I also got green rose shower oil. Got a little welcome kit, which consists of a moisturizer, a shower oil, and a scrub.
Had to get my mom something.
Mom. Nah. So we got silky body milk. So it comes in this box and there's a good amount in here. It's enriched with almond oil and organic oat milk. Oh, I also got scented and patchouli lavender vanilla. This one smells amazing. And last but not least, these sweatpants. I've always wanted a pair of these in this color. I don't know why, I just think the color combination is awesome. These are super cute classics. I remember when I was watching football, and I think it's the Seahawks, their team uniform was this color, and I just like the team because of the uniforms. Sorry, not sorry. I'm always there for the drinks and the food anyway, so it's not like I actually watch. I'd rather play. And they have pockets, the most important part. These didn't have pockets, I would not buy them. So my favorite thing from this whole entire haul definitely had to be the socks. I don't know why, but I love socks. And that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And so comment down below and let me know which piece was your favorite. If you like this content, let me know. So like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. YouTube's algorithm was a little bit different, so make sure you guys press that notification button. And I'll catch you guys later.